What's the meaning of chorale? Chorale. Chorale.
Chorale. Chorale. A chorale is a musical composition that originated in the Protestant Church and is characterized by a simple melody and harmony, often used for congregational singing. The word chorale can also refer to a choir or a group of singers who perform this type of music. Chorales have been used in many different contexts throughout history, such as in classical music, folk traditions, and even popular music. They continue to be an important part of religious and secular music today. Overall, a chorale is a type of music that emphasizes simplicity, harmony, and community singing.